Hi all of you. Good morning. I am Rishma, your new English teacher. Okay, so how are you all? Yes, I think you all are safe and quiet in your homes. So don't go to outside from your house because I think you all are know what the condition which is surrounded we. What is the condition? Yes, the COVID-19, the coronavirus which has affected our surroundings. So be safe, don't go to outside from your home. Stay home, stay healthy. Okay, in the previous class we are already discussed what, yes, we are discussing about articles, then what, yes, about nature, yes, isn't it? So today onwards we are moving into our lesson. Okay, so shall we start our first chapter? Yes, very good. So let's start our first unit. What's the name of our unit? Yes. Can you guess? No. So, I give a clue for you. Okay. In this world, all the kids and all people are seeing one thing for making makeups and their outlooks, isn't it? What they look? Can you guess? Yes, it is. I show you a picture here. What is this? Yes, it is mirror. Okay. Did you like to use mirror? Yes, we all are like to use mirrors for looking our beauty, and in front of mirror we talking something, isn't it? It's very nice thing. Okay. So today our unit name is mirror. Before entering to our unit, I'll ask one questions. Okay, so how do you spend your time during this COVID issues? I think the last year also you are sit in your homes. This year also you are in the same pattern, isn't it? How do you spend your free time and all time? I think you watching TV, mobile phone. Did you read the books? Yes, this all my kids are reading the books also. Okay, so the most of the students they are watching television or mobile phones, isn't it? You kids are always like to watch, yeah, cartoons. Did you like to watch cartoons? Okay, all the kids they are very much like to watch their most time spent with the watching cartoons. Okay, so here I am showing the cartoon picture. Okay, did you see the picture? Yes, what is that? Yes, here is the picture. We can see there is a train and some people ran away, isn't it? So under that picture there will be something written. So first I will read that section. This cartoon shows the reaction of the viewers when the first ever motion picture was shown in Paris. It was a 50-second long film directed by Lumiere brothers. Actually, what is you do one thing, first you see that picture, then try to see what is that. I am already given this picture and we are already talking about this picture. In that time you all my lovely kids are shared their understandings. Okay, so this is a picture. It's a cartoon picture. It's a first ever motion picture. When you see that picture, we think that it's a motion. Okay, that is the motion picture which was in Paris. It was founded by Lumiere brothers. Okay, here I am showing the Lumiere brothers. Okay, did you see this? Yeah, they are Lumiere brothers. Under that picture, There will be 3 questions. What do you see in the cartoon? What are the viewers doing? What did they expect to happen? So we are already solved these questions, isn't it? So now we are moving to our chapter. Oh, okay. What is the title of our chapter? Did you have the textbook? Yeah, I think you all have the textbooks. So our starting our chapter. The chapter's name is what? Before I am saying the name, I will show you some pictures here. Did you watch that picture? Did you see that picture? Yes, what is that? Yeah, that is island. What is the specialty of island? Did you visit any island? Okay, what is the specialty of island? Yes, island is the place which is surrounded by water, isn't it? We have the Lakshadweep. In the Lakshadweep, it's a place which is surrounded by water. So that is island. Okay, it's very beautiful to see. Okay, so our chapter's name is the first one. In this portion, each one is a part by part. Today we are discuss the first part itself. First, I will read the part. Just listen carefully. The island. Long ago, fisherman and his wife lived on island. It was a lonely island. The people of the island led a quiet and simple life. They had no electricity, no phone, no television, no newspaper. They had no hairbrush nor mirror either. Okay, the only way the islanders came to know about the world outside was through the ships that passed in that island. The sailors in the ship threw old worn out toothbrushes, broken buckets, torn shawls, etc. into the sea. When these things came ashore, the people of the island collected them. This is our first part of the island. In this part, which is talking about, before that I will say one thing. This is a African tree. Okay, you know what? You know Africa? Yes, we all know Africa. Okay, so this is a African folktale. You are about to read and describe the humorous incident that happened at a time when people hadn't ever heard of many things that we use. The important theme behind this chapter is that it's an African tale. Okay, in this section, in this part, actually in that island people, they don't know anything. We are using loads of things, but they are the people, they are didn't use such kind of things. So they don't have any awareness towards those kind of things, isn't it? So in this part, we are discussing when they see such kind of thing, what they are, what their response, how they respond to that particular thing. That is explained our chapter. In the first paragraph, which is saying about long ago, fisherman and his wife lived on island. Okay, the long time ago, the fisherman and his wife lived there. It was a lonely island. Okay, it's a very simple. You can understand the first read itself. The lonely island. The people of the island led a quiet and simple life. The old people of the particular island, they led a simple life. They had no electricity. There is no power supply or no electricity, no phones, no mobile phones, no televisions, no newspapers. They had no hairbrush nor mirror either. They had no, these kind of things are, they haven't know what is this. in our world we can't imagine this kind of world, isn't it? Did you imagine that kind of world? No, we know we can't live without mobile phone, without television, without newspaper, without mirror. Okay, so the people, they haven't any those kind of things. The second paragraph, the only way the islanders came to know about the world outside was through the ships that passed the island. The only way of the island to came know about the world, the only way they have to know about the world is what? The passing of ships, or they are seeing the passing of ships, then they are think this time is that, isn't it? The sailors in the ships threw all worn out toothbrushes, broken buckets, torn shoes, etc. into the sea. The sailors, we know the sailors we can see in the ships, they are thrown out their useless things. After using, they are thrown away into the sea. When these things came shore, our sailors are thrown into the sea. When these things came into the shore, the people of the island collected them. Okay, the peoples in the island, they are collecting all those useless things or the waste of our sailors. So this is the first part of our chapter. I think you all are clear about, it's very simple. If you have any doubts regarding this, ask me. Okay, so this is about our first section. If you don't know any particular word from this chapter, definitely ask me. Okay, so thank you all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.